started in 1998. I did a lot of hunting, did a lot of fishing, did a tremendous amount of hiking. I love to hike, and so I'd spend a lot of time up in the mountains and hiking. And I noticed my knee was really starting to bother me, my left knee. I asked my wife, and she said, well, you need to see Dr. Carter. And I came in, and Dr. Carter, he examined everything, and he went through, and he said, well, he said, yes, he said, you have some degeneration on the bone.
We x-rayed his knees and found that he had osteoarthritis. But it was mild to moderate at the time, so we wanted to try conservative treatment with him. He had corticosteroid injections, which are a common treatment for osteoarthritis. He then advanced to gel injections, which are another FDA-approved treatment for osteoarthritis. But ultimately, the injections did not work for him. So the natural progression, if your knee continues to hurt, despite those interventions, knee replacement becomes a significant consideration. The Mako procedure is a robotic platform that we use to enhance our ability to do knee replacement. It allows us to make precision cuts and make them as conservative as possible, so that when we're doing a knee replacement, we remove diseased bone, but with the Mako procedure, it allows us to remove the minimal amount of bone that we have to get a great result. But ultimately, we knew that he was going to come back because his left knee was similar to his right knee in that he had worn away the cartilage in his knee, and despite all of our efforts to maintain his quality of life, the pain continued to increase, and he sought knee replacement surgery.
One thing that I encourage people that I've talked to that are having knee replacement is, yes, get it done, but first and foremost, do what the doctor says. I tried it. I said, I'm going to do more. I'm going to impress the therapist. And I did. I got out on my stationary bike 2 days after surgery, and I'm going just as hard as I can. And I brought the video to them, and I showed them. I said, man, isn't this cool? Look at what a good job you did. And they said, have you lost your mind? You could have messed everything up. I learned real fast that do what they tell you. Don't do any more. Don't do any less. And you'll get through it. You'll get through it great. And now, my goodness, I can climb, I can hike again, I can jump, I can do the things that I couldn't do before. Coming downstairs got to where it was so difficult that I would have to hop on one leg. You know, that's what made me go ahead and do it. I was worried about the pain, yes. I was worried about the outcome, yes, because it is the largest bone in the body. But it is the best thing that I ever did. It honestly is, because I can hike up a mountain now and my knees do not bother me one bit. I didn't realize going up and down steps was this easy. Guys like Dr. Carter, and he did a super job. I would not let anyone else touch my knees.